All right, here we go, new inventory. 2016 Honda Odyssey EXL, fully loaded, VMI Northstar, side entry, handicap, wheelchair van. It is a kneeling van. VMI Northstar, pearl white EXL, Honda Odyssey, 2016, 79,000 miles. Give us a like, give us a follow if you like the content. This van just came in. Beautiful, beautiful condition. Fully loaded out. Navigation, leather. Does have a passenger side transfer seat. Does have driver side hand controls. Quick release front seats. Super, super nice. Super clean. All leather interior. Sunroof. Backup camera. Everything works on the key fob as well. Push button. Everything. Dual side entry doors. You know, these Odysseys are very, very nice. Clean Carfax all the way. Does have your tie downs in the floor. Quick release driver's seat. Also passenger side transfer seat. It's a really good setup. Everything is here. You got extra seat belts. This is your extra step for when you're sitting here. You got somewhere to keep your feet. 79,000 original miles. Very, very nice and clean van. Needs nothing at all. Super nice. Power side entry ramp. Six-way transfer seat, passenger side. Awesome setup. The previous owner used to transfer or drive from the chair. That's why they had hand controls on the van. The van can also be driven regular. They're not in the way. 79,054 miles. Does have navigation, backup camera system. Very, very nice. It's laser straight down the sides. All leather interior. Got all your stickers. Very nice, clean van. Dual side entry doors. Shut it down here so I could show you the wheelchair ramp system. Works on the key fob as well as buttons inside the van. I want to show you how that works. I'm using the key fob. You can also use the wheelchair lift with the button right here. That will also operate the lift. $79,054 on the miles. Does have navigation, backup camera, premium sound system. It's got it all. Power sunroof, power seats, transfer seat, Firestone tires in nice shape. The outside really doesn't have much to show. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. The condition of this van is excellent inside and out. It's a clean Carfax, clean title. Give us a like, give us a follow. We're more than happy to help at any time with any questions you might have. We've been in business 47 years. Boca Raton, Florida. Supreme Motors. Ask for Jeff or Ken. 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Look at this beautiful Odyssey. We're happy to help. We can ship anywhere in the world. We accept any kind of trade-ins. There's really nothing for me to point out condition-wise. The passenger side armrest has a little bit of peeling on the material here. Tiny little spot about that big. Otherwise, it's pretty much perfect. There's a couple little scratches on that back footstep area. But overall, this thing's very, very nice. The tires have plenty of life left on them. The wheels are nice. Nice and clean underneath the van. Nothing that sticks out as far as any damages. It's very, very nice and clean. Again, 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Give us a like, give us a follow. Thank you.